Welcome to a heart folding meditation to clear the subconscious in a very powerful, prayerful way. Bring the hands together and tune in. Om Namo Gurudev Namo 3 times. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Let's transition into creating some warm-up of our spine. So come into cat-cow. Hands under the shoulders, knees under the hips, touch the heels, and begin to alternate arching and flexing the spine up and down with the breath. Exhale as the head drops and the spine arches up. Inhale as the head comes up and the spine arches down. Just move with a smoothness and a rhythm that fits your way of how you're feeling right now. Moving with the breath, clearing the nervous system, conduit of the spine, balancing your nervous system, regulating the breath, regulating your energy. Continue for a few more. Now we'll inhale, head up, exhale, head down, and then sitting back on your heels, coming into another posture, Guru Pranam. Put your forehead down on the ground, just relax and breathe, put your palms together, offer your prayer, your affirmation, your intention for this practice to clear the subconscious and relax. Sitting up. Take time to set yourself to sit comfortably. I like to sit on a cushion, as you can see. Now we'll bring our hands to a very special position called heart folding. So you'll interlace your fingers, let the thumbs just naturally stack on top of each other, and we'll hold this at the heart level, just gently resting on your chest. We'll close our eyes and focus upward at the third eye point. We'll be vibrating with the mantra sound Hud, 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 Hud. Just breathe long and deep and continue to mentally vibrate the sound Hud, 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 Hud. Long deep breathing. Just continue. And then when you're ready, take a nice deep breath in and hold the breath. Press the tongue to the roof of the mouth, lift up on the pelvic floor. And exhale all the breath out. Hold the breath out. Pull up on the pelvic floor. Keep the tongue pressing. Just continue to deep breathe, holding the breath in, mentally vibrating Hud, Hud, Hud. Exhaling and holding the breath out, and mentally vibrating Hud, Hud, Hud. When you're ready, you'll bring your hands together in prayer mudra and chant one long sat and one short nam. Sat nam. This concludes our practice. May you be happy, may you be healthy, may you be holy, and may you just be you. Sat nam.